Okay. Trying to figure out how I used to, set my phone in the car. That'll just have to work. But I'm 20 minutes from home because this is where I get my dog groomed. There is a place in town where we live now, but this is where he's always gone. So I just drive the 20 minutes, and normally it's not so early in the morning. I dropped it off at 7, so nothing is open but Walmart and now Target. But I just got out of Target and I got this shirt. Thought it was cute. And then I looked online because the exact leggings that I wanted, they didn't have in my size, or like any sizes hardly. So I just got the different color and tried them on in my size. And then I looked online and it was a big deal. So I ordered them. But I got me a Starbucks straw. And some milk. 'Cause I'm thirsty. This is like the milk that IHOP gives, but I never really drink chocolate milk made in the gallon. Like, I always make my own chocolate milk and get regular milk. There's like nowhere to really set that, so hopefully it doesn't spill. I got some candies. I'm a really big, more so gummy candy than chocolate candy, but if I'm a chocolate candy person, well, when I am eating chocolate, it's like caramel, milk chocolate with caramel, like a Twix or Snickers. I love Snickers. But I got these. I haven't seen these before, and me and my girlfriend, we love the Nerds gummy clusters. Like, we used to eat them all the time when we worked together. But these are cherry lemonade. These are tiny. I thought they used to be bigger. Okay, well, this is like 2 smushed into 1. They really don't taste that different. Like, what is the flavor of a normal Nerds rope? Or the normal Nerds gummy clusters? Also, I woke up, my nose ring had fallen out while I slept, so I didn't have time to look for it because I was rushing to take a shower. So I have one that was like supposed to be like a corkscrew or a C or something, and I straightened it out. And this is the one I always go back to because it's easy to put in, it doesn't fall out. But I hate that this is so long. Like, it's sticking out my nose. Barely, but I can feel it. And it's the only one that doesn't fall out. And I like that it's small and easy to put in and out. Like, without having to do weird things. These, I feel like, taste like regular, but they're good. And then I got Sour Patch Kids Glow Up Hearts, which, why are awesome. It's like the 8th of January. Why are we having Valentines Day stuff out? And I think it was on sale. it wasn't on sale, but like all the 50% of signs. Maybe it was buy one, get one 50%. I think that's what it was, maybe. But these are cherry and strawberry watermelon. I really don't like watermelon. Like, I love cherry stuff. But we shall see. And these have like little, like confetti. What is it called? Like sprinkles. Cherry's delicious. Sour, but it says we glow under black light. Like, yeah, I'm just gonna be eating these in my car or at work. That was the watermelon. Watermelon's okay. Also, I didn't like really look, but does Target have like, what is it called? Like little refrigerators for small drinks? Like, I just bought a small milk because I didn't find any. But I also printed off some pictures from Walmart. But I went in at like 7 o'clock. And who knows when the center opens. Like the photo center opens. I don't. So I don't know when they're going to be printed off and ready. Oh, wait, where's that one? Cherry. Okay, last thing is Airheads mini bars. I got strawberry, cherry, and mystery. I don't remember strawberry Airheads. Like cherry, blue raspberry. That's pretty much it. Guess there's strawberry. Tastes like strawberry. It's gonna take me like 2 minutes to chew this. That's pretty much it. I don't really have much else to talk about. I'm just gonna wait for my dog and his haircut to be over, and then hopefully the pictures are done before we head back home, because I don't have to come all the way over here and get photos. Starting to get a little bit of a headache. Maybe I need real food. We just got done being groomed. He came back and he was so happy and peppy. And I was like, oh, look at him, so happy. And when he came in, he didn't like the rain and he doesn't like the storm, so he was all nervous. But they were like, he was the only dog, so we were playing fetch with him. And I said, did he bring it back? And they said no, though it was too big, but they was playing with him. They said he was the only dog, so they got to play with him.